Good morning. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is storage devices.
Hi dear students. In the first chapter we have already discussed input devices, processing device and output devices. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is storage devices. It's a very important part of the computer because storage device is a part which stores data and information in a computer. What is meant by this data and information? Data means the input that we are giving to the computer. Information means the result that we get from the computer. How is it working? When we give input, computer will store that input in its brain. That part is known as memory unit. And after that only the processing takes place. The result obtained by the process is displayed on the screen, and that also will be stored inside the computer's brain till the process ends. So, this is the importance of storage devices in a computer. Sometimes when you use your mobile phone or some computers, you feel that it's very difficult to handle. That means we call it as hanging. Why is it so? Because its memory is full. That means it cannot store more data in its brain. At that time, we will erase some data from its memory, like photos, songs, etc. It means a memory unit is an essential part of a computer system. How does the storage device store data? In the form of bits and bytes. What is meant by this bit? A bit is the smallest unit of data and has either a value of 0 or 1. What is byte? Byte is a group of 8 bits. When we press any key on the keyboard, we can see that each key has a particular value. That value contains only zeros and ones. For example, 101101111. It's an example for a byte. Count the digits. There is only 8 digits. So, it represents a byte. Storage devices are also known as memory units, and they are the integral part of a computer system. There are two types of computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, it is the main memory of the computer. It is present on the motherboard. Inside the CPU box, there is a circuit board. That circuit board is known as motherboard. So, primary memory is fixed on that motherboard. But the secondary memory we can keep outside the CPU box. Primary memory is the main memory of a computer. This primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. What is its use? RAM is used to hold data temporarily while the computer is working. Temporarily means that data will disappear when the computer is switched off. Now what is ROM? ROM holds the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is a permanent memory device. That means in this permanent memory part or in this ROM, the necessary instructions that helps the computer to work properly are stored. So it is very important part of the computer, and It is a permanent memory device. That means it holds the data for a long period. Read-only memory means it's a memory, the data inside that memory cannot be erased. Read-only memory, that means computer can read the data, but the data present in that ROM cannot be erased. It is permanent. So RAM and ROM, these two are the primary memory devices. There are three types of ROM. PROM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. These are the three types of ROM. Now the secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store the data permanently, just like our ROM. But after storing the data in the device, we can keep the device outside the CPU box. Its data is not erased even when the computer is switched off. Some commonly used secondary storage devices. One, hard disk. Hard disk stores all the software and data. It is fixed inside the CPU box. Second example is CD, full form compact disc. It is a portable device that stores large amount of data. DVD, digital versatile disc. It is just like our CD but can store about 7 times as much as data as a CD. Blu-ray disc. It is developed to enable recording, rewriting and playback of high definition video as well as storing large amount of data. It can store more than 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVDs. Next device is our pen drive. It is a small portable device that stores very large amount of data. Pen drive is also called as flash drive. Cloud storage. It is a service used for storing the data online. A user just needs an internet connection to access the data online. Examples are Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. Reynold B. Johnson created the world's first computer disk drive. So he is known as the father of disk drive. What is a disk drive? Disk drive means the drive where we place our CD to play in a computer. That is disk drive. Go through the worksheet. Next class I will give you the notes of this lesson.